With the COVID-19 situation extending our school closure, we at Houston Schools want to continue to meet our students' educational needs. Each week, we will email out the newsletter, The Middle School Messenger, as seen here. Links for each day's assignments or lessons will be housed in this newsletter. Links for the Middle School Alternative Methods of Instruction, or AMI, will be clearly indicated in the newsletter for each assigned day. This is going to be a short tutorial on how to access the daily plans for AMI if you are a middle school parent or student. First, you will open the newsletter link in your email and you will receive the newsletter as shown. There is a link for AMI guidance, as you see right here. This is a brief explanation of who, what, when, where, why, and how, along with frequently asked questions about AMI to use as a reference sheet as you become more familiar with this platform. Going back to the newsletter, you will see each day is listed with AMI plans and staff hours in case you need additional assistance. Let's click on AMI for Monday, April 6th. This will take you directly to a folder in a shared Google Drive specifically for middle school students. Once you're in that folder, you will see additional folders. 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade. If you're in Mrs. Haney's math class, her assignments will be housed here. If you're in Mrs. Oakley's English class, you will find those assignments in this folder. However, for your other lessons, or if you do not have those two teachers, you will just simply click on your grade level. So let's say you are a 6th grade student, you will double click on the 6th grade folder. You will see a document for each of your 4 core subject areas: social studies, science, math, and English. Let's click on social studies. On this document, you will see a week's worth of assignments, but you will only have access to USA Test Prep on that specific day's assignment. For instance, you won't be able to access the USA Test Prep assignment for Tuesday until Tuesday. Now let's go back to the 6th grade folder. Make sure each day that you click on all 4 subjects. At this time, middle school will only be required to complete instruction in these 4 subject areas. Most of your assignments are going to be in USA Test Prep. So if that is your assignment, then you would simply open a new window, go to usatestprep.com. Every student was given a login password sheet the last day in attendance to remind you of your login information if you had forgotten. For USA Test Prep, a student will need the account ID, which is Houston 42, along with their username and password.